Hi everyone. In these clips you're going to see pupils doing live emergency stops. Enjoy the clips and remember, an emergency stop is not that difficult, and remember, these aren't real. In a real emergency, that's when you need to be fully on the ball, and hopefully throughout your driving career you'll be concentrating so hard, focused on the road, and hopefully you won't need to do one. But if you do, be prepared. Stay safe everyone, and please enjoy the clips. Stop. You did it before me.
I was waiting on.
Let's do. We'll do that again. Stop. Wait, blimey. Whoops. How many gigs you do an emergency stop? You haven't done one before, have you?
No.
But we spoke about it, haven't we?
Yeah.
All right. Any idea what you need to do?
No.
Just stop.
Yeah.
Basically, someone's run from the pavement, child or anyone,
yeah,
and you want to go stop. But we don't slam the brake on so we fly through the windscreen. It's got to be a quick, safe, sudden stop, all right?
Okay.
So my signal will be stop. But don't do it before my arm goes up, will you?
Okay.
Okay, so we'll drive on shortly, and then I'll say stop. Then I'll expect you to brake and clutch virtually together. It's brake and clutch. It's really close together. Brake, clutch. So a quick stop without going bang. All right, the roads are dry, so you shouldn't go into a major skid or anything.
No.
All right, then, and when you've completed the emergency stop, you then put the handbrake on, put the gear in neutral because you're a manual car, and then look around you to make sure it's safe. Because maybe if you've stopped in the middle of the road somewhere, probably, or on the side. So just make sure you look all around you. But I will be looking to make sure it's safe, so don't worry. All you got to do is stop. All right. So when I say stop, you bang that brake. Deal?
Yes. I think I can
Fully
do
understood?
that. Yeah.
Great stuff. Okay, we'll do one shortly. Stop. Stop. Okay, not bad. But we rolled a little bit.
Yeah.
So we'll try that one again, and we'll see if we can sort of stop a bit more sudden.
Yes.
All right then, let's have another go. Yeah. Stop. Oh, that's a better one.
Okay.
What have you forgotten to do? That's it. Have a good look around and drive on when you're ready. I may ask you to do that again. We'll see. Well done. That was a good stop. Stop. Oh, that's good. That's a good stop. Happy?
Yeah.
Let's go for it. I definitely won't ask you to do that again. Whoops. Shortly, we're going to do an emergency stop. It's your first one, isn't it? Well, you haven't done one yet.
Yeah, no.
Looking forward to it?
I mean, yeah. I guess.
I mean, do you know roughly what to do?
Yeah. Basically, just stop.
That's it.
Just look around you, stuff like that.
Yeah. Well, in a real emergency, obviously the one we're going to do is not a real one. In a real emergency, you haven't got time to think. You just stop. Like, think of a child or someone close to you ran from the pavement. You wouldn't want to run them over. You want to stop, wouldn't you? So it's brake, clutch.
Yeah.
All right. It's virtually together. I mean, it's brake first, then clutch if possible. Modern cars got ABS, so if you did go into a little skid, the ABS would sort that for you. All right. So basically, shortly then, my signal will be stop. All right. And then that'll be it. Okay. So, any questions before we have a go at that?
Not really. I think I'm all good.
Good. So basically, I won't just spring it on you. I'll give you plenty of warning, and same as on a test. It's not a real thing. A really good driver probably throughout their driving career wouldn't have to do too many or any emergency stops if possible. But this is part of the test, and you could get it. It's 1 in 3. You could get it on the driving test. All right. So shortly we'll have a go at that. Okay.
Yep.
Is that okay with you?
Yep.
Agreed?
Yep. Agreed.
Brilliant. Stop.
How was that?
That was good. Neutral, good.
Yeah.
I won't ask you to do that again. Drive on when you're ready, please. Well done for a first attempt. Nice one. Stop. Excellent. Well done. I shan't ask you to do that again. Drive on when you're ready, please. I'd love to give you an emergency stop, but why can't I give you one?
Because I don't go fast enough.
Exactly. You go so slow. I don't think anyone would be in any danger with you. But the thing is, you need to go a little bit quicker at times, okay? So what we're going to do, because your clutch control is getting a lot better now, wasn't it? Last time, remember we spoke about the emergency stop and I said to you, you go too slow. Well, you are a little bit slow, to be honest with you, but there's nothing wrong with being slow, but sometimes being slow can be a bit hazardous towards other vehicles. We need to get our speed up to at least 20, because these are 20-mile-an-hour roads anyway, and we're going to try an emergency stop. Do you know what to do?
Brake.
We have spoke about it a bit.
Brake. Is it then clutch?
Yeah, but remember it's done pretty quickly, so it's brake and clutch very quick, because we don't want to stall. Now, I'm not going to spring it on you sort of thing, but we'll drive off shortly, and then when I give you the signal, I'll say stop like that, all right? Don't do anything until I say stop. All you got to do, all you got to worry about is stopping, okay? Think of it, think of one of your nice cousins running out in front of you. You wouldn't want to run them over, would you? You'd stop. It's a quick stop. Don't go, you haven't got to slam it on, but brake and then clutch. Try to get the clutch down just, not quite together, but close, all right? So we don't stall. And then once you've completed the manoeuvre, all right, remember it's an emergency, you could be stopped anywhere in the road. Put the handbrake on, put it gear in neutral, and we look all around us to make sure it's safe before moving off. All right? So don't worry, we're going to have a little go at that, okay? All right then. We're going to try to get our speed up to 20, not 5. Okay? Good. It's really sunny, isn't it? All right, God. All right then, so we're going to drive off, and then I'll make sure it's safe, so don't you worry about that. You haven't got to do anything. All I want you to do is stop, under control and safely, all right? But a quick stop. Great stuff. Keep moving, go a little bit quicker. Quicker, quicker, quicker. Faster, faster, faster. Faster. Stop. Stop. That's not bad. Okay, not bad. Stop. And so look all around you. The other side, look in your mirrors, and drive on when you're ready. Good, well done. That was right for first attempt, wasn't it? Or second attempt. Stop. Stop, that's it. Stop. Finish it off. You know what you got to do? Observations. Happy with that? Drive on when you're ready. I won't ask you to do that again. Well done. All right? Drive normally, and when I say stop the car, my signal will be, my hand will go up.
Yeah.
Okay, so when I say stop, you stop the car under control. Stop. Ooh, good stop. Good. Good, well done. I shan't ask you to do that again. That was a good stop. Stop. Great stop. Good, I shan't ask you to do that again. Stop. Oh, good, nice one. Nice one. Finish it off. Great, great. I shan't ask you to do that again. Well done. Stop. Great stop. The ABS came in there. Did you feel a vibration?
I did, yeah.
That's on the brake pedal. Maybe a little bit too severe. I think you lifted your foot off the ground too much.
Okay.
All right, drive on when you're ready. Observations. Stop. Woohoo. Drive on when you're ready. I shan't ask you to do that again. Right. Drive normally, and when I say stop, I'll put my arm up. I want you to stop under control as if a child has run from the pavement, okay?
Yeah.
Stop.
Okay.
That's good. And drive on when you're ready.
Yeah.
That was done really well. Well done. We'll try that again later. Maybe a slightly quicker stop, but that was good.
Hi, my name is Denzel. Here's my driving instructor. I met him, and yeah, he's doing a good job. He's taught me how to drive in my own car. He's taught me about roundabouts. He's taught me about braking, accelerating, and yeah, good driver.
It's all going well. And you were
Yeah.
telling me about your music, weren't you? And
Yeah.
because you're a producer.
Yeah, I'm a producer.
And this
yeah.
guy's only 18 years old. Tell us a
Yeah.
little bit about it.
Anyways, yeah, I started producing since I was like 16. Yeah, actually way even before that. Since I was like 13, I've always been like musically inclined, playing instruments, guitar, piano. But I started taking it seriously when I was 16. And yeah, since then I produced for a couple big guys, American guys, UK guys. And yeah, that's my passion. Yeah.
Fantastic. Well, I want to tell you, I think you're going to make it.
Yeah,
How do we find you on YouTube or Instagram or whatever?
My YouTube is Zel, Z-E-L. My Instagram is Prod by Zel. So yeah, that's how you can find me.
That's
yeah.
really cool. And we've also got, both of us got a bit of footballing background,
Yeah,
haven't we?
yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
so both done trials. Yeah, both
Yeah.
got injuries.
Injuries, both knees
Yeah,
gone.
but I'm
Yeah,
older than
is what
you,
it is,
so yeah. Anyway, your driving's going really well, and great car to start with. But what was that car you actually wanted? You said,
I wanted the Audi RSQ8.
and you're going to get it, I think.
Yeah, definitely.
How old do you reckon you'll be?
Probably 21.
Oh,
Yeah,
well, you know
21,
what?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, we'll get you through your test first.
Yeah.
And then, but I think the driving's going really well.
Yeah, no, it is. I've improved a lot since last lesson.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
Fantastic. So, watch this space, guys. Just drive normally.
Yeah.
It's probably best to have 2 hands on the wheel so you can brace yourself.
Yeah.
Shortly, I'll ask you to do the emergency stop. You know what the signal will be,
Mm-hmm.
and you know what you got to do.
Yeah.
Stop. Ooh, that is a great stop. Finish it off.
Okay.
Okay, look around you. Happy with that?
Okay, yeah.
Super stop. ABS came in there nicely. And drive on when you're ready. Brilliant. Brilliant. The roads are dry, but now and again you will get a slight skid, but you've got
Yeah.
ABS brakes
Yeah.
that will control it nicely. Well done. Good stop. Happy with that?
Yeah.
I won't ask you to do that again. Nice one. Hi everyone. I want to say thank you to all the pupils that were in those clips of emergency stops. I think they did a brilliant job, and it just goes to show that learning to drive can be a bit of fun as well. And the emergency stop is a very, very important exercise. As I said, if you take a driving test, there's a good chance you'll get one. There's a 1 in 3 chance you will, so you need to prepare for it. Now, it's my turn. The expert, well, I don't know about that, but I'll be pleased if I can do it as well as my pupils. So my turn now to do the emergency stop. And courtesy of my son, who's going to film it. Stay safe, everyone, and have a great day. My turn.
All right, I've got this pupil here. We're gonna do an emergency stop on my count. All right, speed up, speed up. All right, stop.
Ooh. Oh,
Good, 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 very good. Carry on.
how was that?
That was very good. Carry on.